Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by creating or selecting a Google Cloud project. This centralizes credentials and policies. Next, configure the OAuth consent screen so users see accurate app details and scopes. This prevents scope rejection. Add your exact authorized domains and redirect URIs now because mismatch causes immediate auth failures. Finally, generate an OAuth 2.0 client ID and client secret. Store the secret securely. Once done, you have the credentials and a verified consent configuration to integrate into your app. You now wire the client into your application by installing the official Google OAuth library for your platform, which simplifies token flows. Implement an auth route that redirects users to Google's authorization URL, including required scopes. This starts the grant flow. Then implement the callback endpoint to receive the authorization code and exchange it for ID and access tokens server-side, ensuring you use your client secret and HTTPS. Make sure to validate the ID token signature and claims to confirm user identity and audience. Finish by securely storing refresh tokens encrypted and using short-lived access tokens. This minimizes risk if tokens leak. Map the Google user profile attributes to your local user model and create or update a session so the user is recognized. Implement logout and token revocation endpoints to let users disconnect accounts. If you run into authorization failures, check redirect URI exactness and ensure the consent screen is published. Many issues stem from mismatched URIs or unpublished consent configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.